Hi there, this is my website. It's called That Hike Life. So this is my homepage, and I just kind of started off with a quote. It says, desert, jungle, mountains, or coast, I don't have a preference. If I'm out in the wilderness with everything I need in the world on my back, chances are my smile is wide and my thoughts are clear. So it just kind of goes through a little bit about that hike life. The only way is forward with a little quote. Here you can click to find trails or adventures around you. Here you can join private groups and events. Here I have a button that can bring you straight to my shop where you can find our women's hiking boots, a hiking backpack, water bottles. This home page just kind of finishes with a happy trails quote. From there you can subscribe to the newsletter. If you come up to blog, give it a second. There we go. You can see here's a blog that I wrote called, it's just titled Day Hiking Essentials, What to Bring on a Hike. And it just has 10 of the main things and why it's important to have that. You click on my contact. Here you can contact me, and there's a little about me section. If you come to this tab for store and you go down to shop, you'll be able to find the women's boots, a water bottle, a hiking backpack. So if you just click on backpack, there's a little description for that. Sizing, you can get size medium or large. If you come down here and click on water bottle, you can see a 24 ounces $50, 32 ounces $55. Also, I added a description for the water bottle. And here I have the women's boots. There's only 4 sizes available, but they are all $45. One thing I have learned through this class is the importance of plugins and the difference that they can make having plugins. And something I found a little difficult is making sure the plugins are working correctly, that you have certain things turned on and certain things turned off.